how to create AI generated videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI generated videos where you will be getting the footage. You don't need to hire any script writer, you don't need to hire an editor, you don't need to hire a voiceover. We will be doing everything with the help of an AI. The link will be given in the description down below for all of the different AIs that I will be using today. Rytr for the script, we will generate a script with an AI known as Rytr, create and convert our script into a video using Pictory. We will require a voiceover, so for that we will be using Murf. So first of all, we need a script. For that, we are right here on Rytr. I'm gonna create a new document. So for that, we will require to select a language. I'm gonna go with English. Then we have to select a tone. So for the tone, I'm actually going to be creating a video like top 10 types of videos, tropical places to visit. That's our main title. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with an informative tone, and then when it comes to the use case, we're gonna select the blog section writing. It's going to be quite similar. We will have a script ready. Then we have to enter our section topic and section keyword, and then we have our variance and creativity level, which is going to be optimism. So here I have entered top 5 tropical places to visit, and then we have section keyword, then we have number of variants. I'm gonna go with 3. We have creativity level. All we need to do is just click on write for me, and Rytr AI will write it a YouTube video script ready in seconds. So with Pictory, we will be using script to video. I'm going to click on proceed. Here we have to enter our video name and our script. So you guessed it right, we have a script ready. I'm going to go ahead and just paste it right here. So here we have added our script, and now we're going to click on proceed. So here we have our template gallery. We can choose from a lot of different templates. We have different types of videos that we can go for. This one right here. So our format is going to be 16:9, and here we have our video. You can see Pictory works like magic. I don't need to find an editor for me to create videos for me and to find the footage. That is a main problem that we see, where to find the footage for it, where to find the videos and the photos and combine them. So Pictory takes care of all of these things, and it gives you the video. If you want to do some changes with the text, you could just click on it. You can actually move it up or down if you want. You can even change the font, the colors, everything. You can even change the footage as well. So I'm going to go to the visuals right here. Let's say if I'm not liking, there's a person looking on the map, and it really goes well with our text. And then we have some people like to visit places with a lot of trees, while others prefer beach. So we have a beach scene. So first of all, we have Bali, Indonesia, and it got the footage of Bali for me. That is really impressive. So what we can do is we can actually search for different images and videos here. So I want to go for Fiji beaches, right? So I wanted to see a beach, and here we have the beach. I'm gonna go with this one for this scene right here. So we're just gonna replace this one. And there you go. I can go to the audio right here, and we have an audio in the background. I'm going to go to the audio settings. In audio settings, let's actually decrease it to maybe like 4%, and we will be adding a voiceover. So once the video is ready to Murf, here what I will do is I will be creating a voiceover. So I'm going to click on new project. We are going for an audio file, and I'm going to give it the same name, 5 tropical places. We have audio. I'm going to start blank. So we will be creating just a voiceover. So we need to enter the text here. The text again is going to be the text that we generated with Rytr. So it's going to be the same script that we have. I'm going to paste my script right here. So here we have our script. You can see this is the same script. Now I'm going to click right here to select a voice. With Murf, we can choose from 120 plus voices in 20 plus languages. I'm going to select this voice right here. Before that, I'm going to hit apply voice to the entire project. So the voice is added right here. We can also adjust the pitch of the voice. Then we have speed. We can add different pauses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a pause right here. Before it continues to explain, I'm going to add a medium pause right here. So the pauses are added as well. I can also adjust the speed of my voiceover, and then we have these 3 dots that allow us to adjust the pronunciation and other things. Now I'm going to generate the voiceover. So here our voiceover is done. Within seconds, we have a professional AI voiceover. Now I'm going to click on export, and we're going to use the voice only, and we will be downloading this file. Once the file is downloaded, we're going to get back to Pictory. Here, we're going to go to Audio, My Uploads, and upload the file that we just downloaded. Once the file is being uploaded, you can see it will auto sync with the video that we have, and it will generate a preview for us. So here we have our video ready with the voiceover. The video looks amazing, guys, and this is the video we created with the help of an AI entirely from script to the voiceover. Everything is done with the help of an AI. So now the video is ready. We're just gonna click on generate and download our video to upload on YouTube or any other platform that you use to upload the videos. You can go ahead and check out the link is given in the description down below. You will be able to write a very engaging script with Rytr and then create a video with Pictory and generate a voiceover with the help of Murf. This is how you can create AI generated videos. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.